nieleze vile mimi nitaweza kuishi bila wewe, ukiniacha ukienda zako penzi wewe. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ruben and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Haturudi Nyuma by Kidum featuring Juliana. It's an old song, though I feel that it's a good song, plus it's very beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to play this song within no time. Guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these videos. Plus if you have any song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, always feel free to let me know in the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's zoom in and kick off right after this. The song is in the key of B and the progression is 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4. The 6 is the chord is a G sharp minor chord, the 5 is F sharp major chord, and 4 is E major chord. So maybe before we continue, I'd like to mention that you know, this song it's in the key of B, and the key of B is quite, you know, a high key for, you know, guys. So if you find that you're straining to sing in this key, you can always play it in the key of G, which is you know, comfortable for guys. So in the key of G, it's E minor, D, and C. Well, I have done a cover for this song playing in the key of G, so if you would love to check it out, you can check it out in this link. So yeah, key of G for, you know, you guys. Well, so the 6 is a G sharp minor chord. So for the G sharp minor chord, I am barring the 4th fret with my pointer finger, then with my ring finger, fret number 6, string number 5, and my small finger, 6th fret, string number 4. So that's G sharp minor chord. The chord that follows is a F sharp major chord. So for the F sharp major chord, I am barring the 2nd fret with my pointer finger. My middle finger plays the 3rd string on the 3rd fret. My ring finger, 5th string on the 4th fret, and small finger, 4th string on the 4th fret. So that's F sharp major chord. Now the chord that follows is E chord. So this is the normal E chord, open chord. So I am playing with my pointer finger, string number 3 on the 1st fret, with my middle finger, string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and with my, this is middle finger, with my ring finger, string number 4 on the 2nd fret. So that's E major chord. Well, so for the strumming part, that strumming, you can use this strumming pattern. Down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. So you can practice maybe on that strumming pattern if you don't have any idea of which strumming pattern to do. So you can, you know, mute the strings and try out that pattern before you incorporate it in the chords. So down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Penzi wewe, penzi wewe, nieleze vile mimi nitaweza kuishi bila wewe, ukiniacha ukienda zako penzi wewe. So you can you know, use that strumming pattern. Plus also you can pick the chord if you prefer picking. Either way it will be correct. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Plus give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these videos. Plus if you have any song that you want me to do a tutorial on, feel free to let me know in the comment area. So with that guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.